Gagi, hindi mo alam?
Paps.
Talaga ba?
Ma'ams, favor.
Una-una yung kuha lang kayo kapag humingi kami ng candy tsaka Oreo sa kanya. Huwag yung Oreo ha, mga ganun.
Kung describe Boss Jason in one word, siguro jolly, no? Jolly. Yun. Jolly.
Pala tanong. Naging biglang sasabat. Ano yan?
Cool. Yan, lagi niyong binabanggit.
Articulate.
Hi, Boss Jason. So, thank you for the opportunity to work with you. I'm grateful to have the opportunity na makatrabaho ka. Continue to be the good person that you are. And bawas tayo sa soft drinks ka sa kids.
Thank you for giving time when I needed it.
It was so nice working with you. Thank you sa mga effort mo kapag mahirap mag-reach out or wala ka mong ma-reach out pagdating sa partners. Thank you sa availability na ibinibigay mo sa akin.
Thank you, TM, because you're one of the person who pushed me through my limits na may mga bagay na kaya ko palang gawin. And thank you for trusting my leadership. TM, wish you good luck and whatever it is that you plan for your career growth, fully support po kami dyan.
Ingat po kayo, Happy New Year. Alagaan yung sarili niyo, boss. Tama na chichirya, awat na. Awat na yung Gulf, awat na yung Mountain Dew, boss. Tigil mo na yan. Para humaba buhay natin. Diba? Cool. Bye, boss.
Nanonood ako ng K-drama, Queen of Tears. And yung bida doon, si Kim Soo-yoon. Kamukha niya. So, habang tumatagal, pag nakikita ko si Boss Bang sa salubong, sa abroad, at the same time, nakikita ko sa kanya si Kim Soo-yoon. Meron siyang halong pagka-Korean actor. Yeah.
Lagi siyang nagpupunta sa station namin para kamusta. Minsan, nagchichismis. Pero pag may time, galing siya abroad, nagpupunta para magdala ng mga chocolates at anik-anik na.
Which is, pag maririnig mo yung word na considerate. So, considerate kasi sobrang lenient niya sa agents. Winaway niya yung minsan kung saan mas papabor yung lahat, hindi lang sa isang body. Then, next is thoughtfulness. Sobrang thoughtful ni boss ko. Every time na galing siya sa travel niya, hindi niya nakakalimutan na mag-share. So, kaya bine-bless din siguro siya ni Lord ng maraming blessings. So, for me, kung maaalala mo siya, ako, pag mababanggit yung word ng sapatos, kada papasok siya sa office, titignan ko yung paa niya. Sasabihin ko, boss pa, tapakan mo ako. Ang gaganda kasi yung sapatos niya eh. So, yun lang.
His smile. Because whenever our eyes meet, he smiles at me, leaving a lasting impression that he is a good person.
Unique. Mga sapatos na hindi ko kayang dalhin. Ayun. Pangalawa, yung pagiging kalmado nyo. Na-witness ko po yun first hand. Kapag may client, kapag sa harap namin, nagiging composed kayo. And wala kayong pinapakitang emotional influence sa mga sinasabi ninyo, especially when it comes to work.
Words of wisdom from Pao. Choose your battles.
The answer will always be no if you wouldn't ask. And also, be the bigger person.
I just want to say thank you for everything, sa guidance and support you've given us. Sobrang na-appreciate namin yung leadership mo and everything we've learned from you. nakakasad na aalis ka na, pero super happy kami for you and sa next chapter mo. Thank you po ulit and chismisan pa rin sa 2026.
Boss Pao, thank you very much for everything that you have done for the program as well as to us. You will truly be missed.
Hi, Boss Pao. Wala pa man, nasasipangs na talaga ako. I'm sad, but at the same time, I am happy for you. Thank you for everything that I've learned from you. Most especially, thank you because I've been a witness of how good your heart is. May God bless you, and I know that you deserve all the best in this world. Thank you po sa lahat. And don't forget, on your first paycheck, huwag mong kalimutan na i-share yung blessing at ilibre kami sa Jacknet.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So, when you get bored, wala ka pong friend doon, we are just one call away. You're always welcome, boss, and we'll see you around. Love you. Good luck po.
Hello, boss. Good luck sa next journey. Like mo, miss namin kayo. Bye po.